Hi you guys, I got this really awesome new silicone mat for our Blackstone griddle, so I wanted to share it with you. Blackstones are so wonderful. We love using ours for smash burgers, fajitas, asada, taco meat, but you really have to clean them really well. They can get molded and or rusty. So I have all of the covers that we need, and I just got this mat that helps with any kind of rust or any kind of mold. So I put it on before we put the cover on it when we're done using it. So it's just a really great way to preserve your Blackstone. You don't cook on it, it's just for when the Blackstone is being stored. And so I always want to keep everything as nice as we can so that it lasts a really long time. So this cover is really awesome. It fits so perfectly in on our Blackstone griddle. So it is a great size, great fit, really good quality. I love that it's the same bright orange as the Blackstone knobs, of course, so it looks great. But like I mentioned, I just love that it really helps protect the Blackstone from any kind of mold or any kind of rust, any kind of little tiny animals that want to get into the barbecue while it's being stored outside. So really awesome to have if you want to keep preserving your Blackstone. Totally awesome product. I will link it in the description box and it'll take you straight to their website, and it is really wonderful. So if you have a Blackstone, definitely get all the things you need to keep it in tip-top shape because it makes really awesome, delicious food. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I just wanted to share with you real quick how much I love this silicone mat. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of meal prepping recipes and some Blackstone recipes as well. Hope you're having a really great day. I will see you in my next video.